Hey guys, welcome back to Click, and today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Pitaka case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. So one of my favorite cases, and here at Click, if Pitaka makes it, we have it. We were initially sponsored by Pitaka for a couple of cases a little while back and have since then fallen in love. So no, this one is not a sponsored case. We paid the astronomical price of $50 for it, and we're happy to have it here because it is one of the best cases for any phone. As long as Pitaka makes it, it's a definite win. So let's get into this one and throw it onto the Note 8 and see what it looks like. So starting at the box itself, okay, designed for the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Okay, Pitaka branding here. Now this is made out of genuine aramid, okay, and that's a ballistic material which looks like carbon fiber, which is the best. Okay, this is a thin protective case. You have magnets embedded into the case if you're using a magnetic mount anywhere in the car. Okay, so let's get into the case and see what's what. Alright, don't have any nails, so this is going to be, there we go. Sorry about that, guys. So almost idiot proof packaging, as you can see. I was struggling. So let's pop this out. So nothing other than the case here, guys. You have a thank you card from Pitaka. Okay, there you go. So other than that, not much else is in here. The Pitaka case I got for my iPhone 10 did have a screen protector built into it, so that was a great look. But for the Note 8, there was nothing, and I think screen protectors are a problem for the Note 8 anyway, so I wouldn't really be using one regardless. Okay, so here you can see it's compatible with the Pitaka magnetic mount, as it says. You got Pitaka branding. Okay, and so let's throw it onto the Note and we'll go from there. Okay, so, well, let's try from the top this time. 1, 2. Alright guys, there we go, it's on. Let me just clean up the screen a little bit. Okay, now this is an ultra thin case, so if you're looking for lay on table for the screen, this doesn't have it. Okay, as you can see, there is no lay on table, none whatsoever. There's no protection for the screen edges. Okay, keep that in mind. So let's start at the bottom. Okay, we've got cutouts for your S Pen. Sorry, that's not in focus. There we go. For your S Pen, your speaker, your mic, USB-C, and your headphone jack. Easy access to the S Pen, which is great. On this side, you have got your cutouts for your Bixby key, volume up and down. On the top, you've got cutout for your mic. On this side, you got a cutout for your power. Now moving to the back, you get the beautiful look of the carbon or the aramid. Okay, it looks really nice. It's a matte finish, so it's really improves the in-hand feel. It's not slippery at all. And you can see your camera module is nicely cut out. Okay, so there's no interference for that as well as there's no interference for your fingerprint scanner. Alright guys, so all in all, a definite win. Pitaka is one of our favorite cases, along with UAG and the Spigen Rugged Armor here at Click. So it's definitely Click approved. The link will be in the description if you're looking for one for yourself. If you have questions regarding the case, do post them down below and I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'm out. Peace.